As you step out of the stands and onto the field, there may be thousands cheering for you. And yet, there's only one voice that matters. That voice inside your head. The voice that urges you to play on the front foot. Hit that ball harder, higher, faster. Bacardi Team North heard this voice and played gloriously, achieving volumes with strokes that made the ball fly higher than ever before, proving that they would remain champions for the year to come also. What is it that makes North Region's success truly phenomenal? Is it the numbers or the figures of growth? Or is it the people, the team that celebrates unprecedented growth time and again? It is this fearless spirit that makes Team North invincible. And that is why we are Bacardi's Master Blasters. Region North has seen tremendous growth in 2018 with the entire Bacardi portfolio flourishing in the market.
If I have to think about North performance this year, no one runs this hard is an apt statement. It was a year of great teamwork, superb commitment and united in vision. With the YTD growth of 56% and target achievement of 110%, North is poised for another great year. Watch out!
Bacardi Co. Carta and Limon volume recorded a growth of 44% with an achievement of 124%. Bacardi Black volume saw a 139% growth with an achievement of 172%. Aristov volume also did well with a growth of 92% and an achievement of 142%. BII Scotch, Dewar's White Label and William Lawson's volume showed a 47% growth and an achievement of 92%.
It has been a superlative performance by Cluster 1. I would say this fantastic performance is an outcome of 3 Ds and a C, which is determination, devotion, dedication and conviction. It's all about depiction of founders' mentality, being fearless and limitless. Looking forward to a rocking financial year 2020.
Delhi as a state has also delivered extremely good numbers this year. We have grown across categories, be it HPLP or BIO. Especially if I talk about Bacardi Black, we did some fantastically good numbers this year. So all this has been well supported by activations across brands and categories. And moreover, all this could only happen because of the super fantastic team that we have in place, which firmly believes in doing the things with all the trust, care, passion and excellence.
In Delhi, Bacardi Black volume recorded a growth of a whopping 493% with an achievement of 289%. Breezer and Bacardi Plus also did well with a volume growth of 17% and an achievement of 103%.
FY19 was the great year for Team UP in terms of highest ever growth rate and fantabulous performance. The key factor that contributes success to UP team were sales team hard work, leadership direction and cross-functional support. This performance has raised the bar and in FY20, team is ready again to deliver some great numbers.
Carta and Limon stayed strong with a volume growth of 80% and an achievement of 150%. Bacardi Black volume saw a spectacular growth of 2,526% and an achievement of 515%. BII Scotch, launched in UP only last year, also recorded a volume achievement of 94%. BIO volume grew phenomenally with 475% growth and a 278% achievement.
F19, a great year for UK team who has firm belief on doing simple and basic things in an innovative manner, which has laid brick by brick foundation of Uttarakhand success. And I personally believe that our positive action when combined with positive thinking result in success. Together we can, we will make a difference. Work hard, party harder.
Up north in Uttarakhand, Bacardi's popularity remained consistent. Carta and Limon volume grew at 75% with an achievement of 157%. And Breezer and Bacardi Plus also performed well with 38% volume growth and 118% volume achievement.
In this great journey, the story revolves around 3 pillars: sustainability, leveraging equity, and the growth story of Scotches. Haryana and Chandigarh already at it, Punjab to surprise an upcoming festival.
Haryana's USP as a profit center has been the upsell in scotches, ably supported by record black numbers in Kata. Flavors have been a surprise package where we can invest and build. A real bright spot has been an increase in width of distribution for our premium portfolio at on-premise through sustained support from trade marketing, committed towards a strong 2020.
In Haryana, Scotch emerged as the biggest contributor to the entire state business with 19% volume growth and 114% volume achievement. Bacardi Black stole the show with 75% volume growth and 150% volume achievement. Kata and Limon performed superlatively with a volume growth of 31% and volume achievement of 119%.
We believe together we can, we have, and we will deliver. Challenges will always be there to check our aptitude and attitude. Key to success is planning, determination, dedication, and seamless execution with a spirit of not giving up. Tough time doesn't last, tough people do.
In Chandigarh, Scotch showed a good performance with a volume 18% growth and 101% achievement. BIO also performed well with a volume 117% growth and 147% achievement. Up in the hills of Himachal Pradesh, Breezer and Bacardi Plus grew very well at a volume 140% growth and a volume achievement of 137%.
I'm a firm believer of together we achieve more. Punjab, from past legacy issues to where we are now, has been an exciting journey. We have done our bit and now it is time for Punjab to be at the position it deserves. Watch out, guys.
In Punjab, Kata and Limon volume grew at 53% and the achievement was 127%. Breezer and Bacardi Plus did well here as well with a volume growth of 70% and a volume achievement of 126%. While BIO recorded a volume growth of 13% and a volume achievement of 201%.
Fridges are built by engineers and brands are built by marketers. Our marketing has carried on from where we left it last year. F18 was a year of marketing dominance in stimulating the growth that we witnessed. From driving visibility initiatives, raising the bar through activations, on-trade wins, or be it equity and volume-linked promotions, we have scored high on each front and have definitely added dimensions and wings to the region's growth.
This scoreboard spoke for itself. Permanent visibility penetration in more than 1,000 outlets across 8 states. With players like Kata, Black, Plus, Breezer, William Lawson's, Joar White Label, and Bombay Sapphire all adding to the wins. The activation saw 550 off-trade outlets scoring through VAPs, merchandising, spot sale, and CSM incentivization. While 317 on-trade outlets excelled with samplings and events on different occasions. 11 TTL campaigns also played an integral part in adding to the overall growth.
It gives an immense pleasure in saying that after being a champion in the Fly Beyond race last year, North has once again made a fantastic performance this year. The team has really worked hard to bring down market overdues this year. We have managed to reduce the overdues to 13 crore from 17 crore against last year, and net overdue has been reduced to 19% of the total outstanding against 26% last year.
This year has truly been phenomenal. The ball is now set in motion and the pace is set. Let's surmount each challenge that comes our way and surge ahead. The last run, the last mile may seem the hardest. But if the Master Blasters stand together, we can hit that ball, take that risk, and show them who is the best. So Bacardi Team North, now is the time to prove to the world that we are the unmatchable and unbeatable Master Blasters.